Today, we wanted to represent you very unique, the Korean noodle made out of rice. We're making this dish called the tteokbokki. It's a fast food, and it's yummy. The sauce is a very unique sauce. It's called gochujang. We mix with a rice syrup and with hot peppers. Some of the food is very authentic, very spicy. So for the starters and for the kids, keep that texture, but with the different sauces. Use my soy sauce, and then with date syrup that they have it here, the 100% date syrup. I was born and raised in Seoul, and after my adult life, I moved to America, and I met my husband, who is a Jewish. We traveled the world actually because of my husband's job, and somehow my always remote dream about making aliyah became real. I never really dreamt about the restaurant, but I always had this idea, why can't I have this wonderful, healthy Korean food? There is no kosher Korean restaurant in the world, not a one. This is why I started here in the older city, because I believe the energy, the creation, is all started from here. It's not so difficult to combine the Korean food into kosher. And you just have to learn how to do it. People who eat kosher, who care to find out the different food, or somebody who is really deep into Korean culture, wants to eat the Korean food, but because it was never kosher, the taste that they never tasted before anywhere in a kosher world, now it opened up.